So today in this video I'm going to be teaching you what are lists in Python. So let's begin. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel The Programmer. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and in good health. So today in this video we are going to understand what are lists in Python. So first of all, let's comment this previous video, and let's make a new comment for lists. And if you know any programming language, you may also know what are arrays in programming. So lists are similar to arrays. So let's create a list called A equals to, and this is an integer list. Let's do something like this. Okay, so this is a list. Now if we print A, we get this value. And so now let's print A, and as you can see here, you got the value of A printed. And also we can also print a particular number. So if we add a square brackets here, and now the index number, and the index number starts from 0. So if we want to print this 1, this is at the 0 index, this is at the first index, and this is at third. This is how the counting goes on. So the first index is 0. So in programming, the index starts from 0. So if I try to print A index 0, it would just print 1. And in order to print indexes, we have to add such curly brace, such square brackets. So now I got 1. Now what if I want to print 6, which is not there? So it would just throw an error list index out of range, because the 6 is not there. There is no index called 6. So just 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what if I print 5? I would get 7. Yeah. And also I can print a particular indexes. So now it will print from 1 to 4. So yeah, if we add a colon, we can just assign the end value. So this is from index 1, it should print till index 4. So it would print from 25 to 6, sorry, to 8, till 8. And also it won't print the last index, it would just print the index before the last index. So if I put 4 here, so it would print till 3 only. So now if I add 3, it would just print till 2 only. So if I want this to print from 25 to 6, then I have to add an index of 1 till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, till 5. So I will get the output of 25 till 6. This was array slicing. So slicing array, let's make a comment. Okay, so we made nice comments, and now we are done with this thing. Also we can in slicing also we can do something like this. So if I do something like this, we would get 4. And let me show you how. So the minus index goes from this side. So 7 is the minus 1, 6 is the minus 2, 8 minus 3, and the 4 the minus 4 1. So if I print minus 4, I would get the output 4, because minus 4 is 4. And let me comment out this other prints, and also this one. So I hope you understood slicing. So now let's see some. So now let's understand some of the methods in Python for So now let's see some methods in Python for lists. So the first method is append method. So append method, basically what the append method does is, so we have a.append. So this is object oriented programming, as we are telling that a.append means append the list called a, and I want to add 8, so it will add 8 at the last index. And also I have to print a. So as you can see here, in our initial a it was only 7, but now I got 8 added into the a. So this is how we can add value to the, add some indexes and add some values to the particular list. And let's comment this out. And also there is one more method for adding, is insert. So insert, what insert does is, in append it directly adds the it directly adds the new value at the end. But in insert is, it asks us for the index number and then we can add the value like this. So at index 1 it just added 3. So in insert we can just assign the index also. So suppose if you want to add a value in second index, it is this. So but let me see on the code. No, let me see review. So suppose if you want to add a value before 4, so its index would be index 2. So we have to add the index of 2 here and the value after comma. So a.insert, I hope a.insert has been you have understood what is a.insert. So as you can see here, it added 3 before 4, which was needed, which we wanted to do. And the next method is, so now let's learn what is a.pop. A.pop is used to remove a particular index value. So now as you can see here, you can't see 25 because 25 was at the index 1 and I just popped it out. Popping an index value means removing it. So pop function is used to remove a particular index value. So now let's see some other methods in array. So there is a method called sort. So what this does is, this just sorts the array and just directly adds it. So currently our list is something like this. Let's mess this up a bit. Okay, and with a.sort it would just sort, and as you can see here, the index number has been changed. So at the beginning it is 1, then 5, then 7, 9 in ascending order from small to big in a proper way basically. So this just sorts our lists. So if we have messed with our list, we can use a.sort. And also we have lots of functions, as you can see here. There is one thing called reverse, which just reverse our array. So now our array has been reversed. So now our array has been reversed. So the one which was at index 0, now it's at the last index. And a.clear clears the whole array. Sorry, clears the whole list. So now the list contains nothing. It's empty list now. So let's comment it out and let's add some comments to explain what this method does. So now, as you can see here, it just added the comments. Now if you can understand what this particular function does. So, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell icon as well. Don't forget to join my Discord server, link in the description.